Hi everybody, it's Neil, and if you've paid attention to some of my videos, you'll know that I dropped my phone into the river and it is gone. So I'm gonna be getting the new iPhone 14, and lo and behold, they already make the safety glass things for the screen protectors. So we're gonna open this thing up and check it out. There is no phone here to try it on due to the fact that the iPhone 14 is not released yet. But by the time this video gets published or something, maybe it will be. But we'll see. Don't know, but let's open up the box here and see what's inside. This one comes with a few different things. So we have here the cleaners for the phone. It comes with, looks like 3 of the camera covers, and it comes with cute stickers for you. It comes with, this is the, I guess this will go around the phone, and then you can line up the glass. And then it comes with, it looks like 2 glass pieces maybe? And a bunch of stickers, a bunch of these stickers, I guess, to get the dust out of it once you put it on. So I guess it comes with, where is it? Oh, 1, 2. So I guess it comes with 3 of these. And so this is the new look of the iPhone 14. You see it'll have the little circle in there. So they're already prepared for that, and then it'll just go onto the screen, and it looks like these will be good. These are glass, and so hopefully these will work good and be just the right size for it. So that's that. Those are kind of nice looking. And then here are the camera covers. So what this is it's just a little plastic piece here. You can kind of see it's got some depth to it, but it goes over the cameras to give it some protection there. So if you drop your phone or whatever, you won't be scratching up the camera. So that's pretty cool. I don't have a case yet for it, so I'm gonna have to find a new case too for the phone. And I don't have a case for my other one because it went in the water as well. I wish it would have floated, but there we go. So these are kind of cool. Comes with those, comes with all this stuff here, and it comes with this little box, and this is the company who makes it here. I don't know exactly what it is. Is it Ivoler? Right there. But I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourself. So if you ordered the new iPhone 14, you're probably gonna wanna get one of these. So you can order it ahead of time now. It's kind of nice because I can get this, I already ordered it. Yeah, I ordered it yesterday and it came today. So it comes super fast. It's Amazon stuff. And that's it. So be sure to get some screen protectors for your new iPhone 14. This is I got it for the iPhone 14 Pro. But they make them for the iPhone 14 Max and all the other ones too. I saw this company made them for all of them. I just picked the phone I'm going to order. So that's it. So so far it seems good to me. It seems like it's new. Hopefully it fits because I don't know how they were able to make these right before they even announced it. But I'll update y'all when my phone comes in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.